trades of all kinds are turning to oscillating multi-tools for a full range of applications. And this Makita Multi-Tool combines power and performance with comfort and convenience features like reduced vibration and lower noise. This is ideal for cutting, sanding, scraping, tile replacement, grout removal, and more. This is engineered for a full range of applications including cutting, sanding, scraping, grout removal, and more. It is ideal for remodelers, carpenters, plumbers, wood floor installers, and general contractors seeking a best-in-class multi-tool. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This is powered by a 3.0 amp motor with a soft start for smooth startups. The variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application, and the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smoother, higher quality work. This has a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster, more aggressive cutting and sanding. This also features a range of comfort and convenience features including reduced vibration and lower noise, a small diameter barrel grip, and a large on-off slide switch with a lock-on button. The tool-less clamp system provides easier removal and installation of accessories. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 3.0 amp motor with soft start feature for smooth startups and improved performance for fast cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal. Number 2. Variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. Number 3. Electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for smoother, higher quality work. Number 4. 3.2 degrees oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting and sanding. Number 5. Precision engineered for reduced vibration and low noise 80 dB. Number 6. 2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting and sanding. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.